Welcome to 2025. So I've lined up some of the best dash cams from the previous year and some really cool Starvis 2 4K dash cams as well, such as this Vantrue N5 and the Vantrue N4 as well. So one of you will stand a chance to win each and every dash cam which I'm showing you on the screen right now, including the most premium 4K Starvis 2 based dash cams. So all you need to do to win any of these dash cams for free is just follow two simple steps. The first step, go ahead, become a member of the Travel Tech channel. The second step, comment on all of my future videos. That's it, two simple and easy steps, and every month you stand a chance to win one of these amazing dash cameras. That being said, let's quickly jump into a bit more into the detail of what you can do to get your chances high of winning all of these dash cams, including Starvis 2 powered 4K quad channel and a triple channel dash cam setup. So the first step which I mentioned is to become a member of the Travel Tech channel. So how to do that? Just look down below the video, you will find a subscribe plus button right there. But of course, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now. But if you're already a subscriber, you will find a subscribe plus button there. Just click on it, you will find 3 different levels of membership. So choose the level of membership which is convenient to you and join as a member of Travel Tech. Also do note that the first 10 members who join as members of the Travel Tech channel will automatically qualify for the lucky draw for each month. Now do note that the more higher level of membership which you choose, the better your chances of winning any of these dash cams for yourself. So don't waste this chance, go ahead and grab those top 10 spots before somebody else does. That being said, the second step which I mentioned is to comment on all of my future videos. Yes, do write in your best comments about my work, about my channel and about each video which I put out, and make sure your comments are helpful to those people who watch the video later on in the future. The top 10 best comments and the fastest comments will be chosen by me, and they will qualify for the lucky draw that will be held in the first week of every single month in 2025. So this is your best chance to get yourself some of the premium dash cameras and get them installed in your car. 2 simple steps, and who knows, you might just win a 4K Starvis 2 based quad channel dash cam as well. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this free giveaway regarding the lucky draw, just write it down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But now, since I've announced this free giveaway, I'm very excited to see who is going to win all of these premium dash cameras and who will be the ultimate winner of the Vantrue N5 and the N4 Pro 4K Starvis 2 dash cams. Go ahead, become a member of the Travel Tech channel right now and stand a chance to win these fine dash cameras for yourself. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.